Step 1. Let that inner voice become your enemy. Doubt yourself. Every idea, every dream. Tell yourself you're not smart enough, not skilled enough. Every time an opportunity shows up, say, "What if I fail?" And never ask, "What if I fly?" Comparison, that's your new religion. Scroll, envy, repeat. Just watch everyone else win. When someone compliments you, brush it off like it's a lie. But when someone criticizes you, replay it in your head for weeks. Want to kill your confidence for good? Here's how. Don't try new things. Don't speak up. Don't show up. Let fear be your compass. Lucius Cornelius Sulla, once Rome's most powerful man. Let power and paranoia destroy his self-trust. He stepped down, but never found peace. His fear ruled him more than any army ever could. Or take Vincent van Gogh. Brilliant, visionary, but rejected and ridiculed in his lifetime. He died thinking he was worthless, only to become the most celebrated artist of his era. Too late to see it. That's what happens when self-doubt wins. You bury your genius before the world even sees it. That's how it dies. Not with a bang, but with a slow silence inside you. You don't need a villain to kill your confidence. Just neglect it long enough, and you'll do it all by yourself.